Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to delete a game on PS5. First, from your PlayStation 5 home screen, locate the game you want to remove. Once highlighted, press the Options button on your DualSense controller. This will bring up a small menu with several choices. Deleting games is a great way to free up valuable storage space, especially with larger titles often exceeding 100 gigabytes. After pressing the Options button, a menu will appear. Scroll down and select the Delete option. The system will then ask you to confirm your choice. Be aware that this action removes the game's installation data from your console, which can easily be over 50 gigabytes for many modern titles. Your save data, however, is usually kept separate and will not be deleted. Alternatively, you can manage your storage directly through the system settings. From the home screen, navigate to the gear icon for settings. Then, select Storage to see a breakdown of your console's internal and external storage. Choose Games and Apps to view a list of all installed titles, allowing you to sort them by size or date. This method is useful for identifying large files. Within the Games and Apps section, simply select the game you wish to remove and then choose Delete. Confirm your decision, and the game's data will be removed, instantly freeing up valuable space on your console. This is crucial for installing new games, especially those requiring over 100 gigabytes, and helps ensure your PlayStation 5 runs smoothly without performance issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.